Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? What's going on this time? As you can see here in last 7 days, Axie Infinity will get a profit. As you can see, my friend, 0.41% the price will pumps up. So now that is not a sample and not a very low jump, my friend. Absolutely, it's very huge pump, my friend, because in this time all crypto market is not comfortable. Every coin were very badly falls down, but Axie Infinity is get a profit now. So that's the big reason, my friend, was that two holder are starting investing. And remember, to when a holder are starting investing, so the price will be pops up, because my brother, when a holder are starting investing, so the market cap is increasing, and when a market cap is increasing, definitely, my friends, every coin will get a profit. So yes, my friend, this is reality. I will tell you in upcoming time, my friends, there is a chance to Axie Infinity will pumps up. Yes, my brother, there is 100% chance, my friends, to Axie Infinity price will pumps up, because my brother, in upcoming days, especially in last days, every month last days, every coin will get a profit. So therefore there is 100% chance to Axie Infinity is also wake up and moving upward. So Axie Infinity, I have one request from all of you: to kindly holders hold down. If you are already holder, now that's really good. Now please hold it. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will recover all the lost and they will give you a profit. So my advice for all of you: to please hold down, otherwise, my friends, they will never give you a profit. And if you want, my friends, to get a profit, now please, my friends, just and only subscribe this channel, because this channel is update you and absolutely alert you every time. So kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for videos notification.